Let's do this. Let's take a look at what's happening on the main area. Look at this. Wow, this is a nice. Ooh, I love this open floor plan, guys. Really makes a lot of sense. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the channel. I'm here at Arroyo's Edge by Pointe, and we are seeing these beautiful homes here, which we're gonna tour together. So please stay tuned. Also, if you're new to the channel, check out my channel page. There's a lot of videos there for you to enjoy. I just wanted to give you a sneak peek of this home here, and also, as you can see, guys, this is the strip. Look at that. You get a lot of strip views driving around this community of Red Point in Summerlin, Las Vegas. Let's do this. Let's tour this beautiful home together. All right, guys, this is the home. Look at this beautiful home here. Nice facade, right? Ooh, look at this lot, guys. I can ask the builder if you want this lot, because this lot has a nice view of that mountain. Also, this view of the strip somewhere on this side. We'll probably have a view of the strip on your second floor, which we will be able to check out. All right, I am so excited for us to tour this together, guys. This is the front. The exterior of Pointe, for some reason, they have really nice exterior of the home. So we can check this out. And let's check this out. This is the entrance. Wow, nice courtyard here. Front courtyard. And this is your view, guys, from the front of this house. All right, let's check this out. What's happening on this side? Knock, knock. Oh wow, you have an office here. Really nice office area, guys. Look at the design of this wood. You can definitely put a door here, like a glass door. Huge window. Wow, this is a nice office, guys. You will be motivated to work harder here so that you can get even richer. Look at the view of the mountains there. While doing your work, you can actually see the mountains. Let's check out what's happening here. Are you ready, guys? Let's do this. Let's take a look at what's happening on the main area. Look at this. Wow, this is a nice. Ooh, I love this open floor plan, guys. Really makes a lot of sense. I'm gonna span from this side of the living room area so you can see how open it is. Wow. Look at this, guys. This is really nice. The lighting is so good. Those glass doors are really awesome. They have this amazing kitchen area. Look at the waterfall. Comment down, guys, below if you like this kind of waterfall. And lots of cabinetry here. Lots of open space, meaning like counter spaces. Wow, I love this. And then while washing your dishes here, you can look at the swimming pool here and also the mountain views. By the way, guys, that area there is a wash. So there will be no house on that vacant lot if you get this kind of lot situation. Really nice, guys. Ooh, love this vent. It's a different kind of vent, so that's appreciated. I love the use of this linear fireplace here, guys. That's very appreciated. Wow, this is a really open space. I love it.
To use a backsplash as a feature to highlight neutral cabinets and countertops. A colorful backsplash is a fun and
Trying to span on each corner, guys, so you can appreciate how beautiful the open space is. I don't think we can go outside because there is a swimming pool situation there. So look at how beautiful this will be once the swimming pool is done, right? All right. This is a gorgeous house. All right, dining area here. Wow, I can't really go out of this room because I'm falling in love with the situation here. All right, let's check out what's happening upstairs. But before that, look at this half bathroom here. Hello, guys. And it has a storage all the way at the bottom of the stairs, which is nice. So you can store all of your belongings there that are seasonal, for example, Christmas trees or anything that is not being used on a daily basis. And I believe this is the garage, which is technically cannot be opened. All right, let's check out what's happening on the second floor. Look at the railings here, guys. If you see the other video, they have a glass railing, but this also looks really awesome, this kind of railing here. And look at this, really makes a lot of difference when you upgrade the stairs into hardwood floors. It looks really dramatic and clean looking. So this is your view from this angle of the stairs. What is happening here? Let's check it out. Wow, look at this, guys. On your right is your beautiful loft area with generous windows, to be honest. It's almost like everything is window here. And look at the view. Guys, look at this view on your loft area. That's why they put a lot of windows, because they want you to make sure you will be able to see these views. And let me show you something, guys. All right, so this is your loft, and here is your view on this window. If you buy this model home in the future, look at this. If that house is not going to be too tall, which I think it will, so it will block, but in the meantime, as you can see, guys, you have a view of the strip. Wow, look at the strip view. Amazing. All right, let's check out what's happening on the other side of the home. You know, I really like when it's an open railing like this, because it makes the room even larger. I'm seeing a nice bedroom there, but before we go there, look at this. You have your, ooh, there's something there. Okay, so this is your laundry area. If I'm not mistaken, that might be your owner's bedroom closet. So that is very ideal, guys, because once you have that kind of access from your owner's closet to the laundry area, and if you're a super busy person, that will make your life easier and more efficient. All right, let's check out first the right side of this. Wow, this is Oh wow, they did a really nice staging here. Look at this. And then again, you have that view of the mountain there. Right? Really nice view of the mountains. And then, ooh, I really appreciate that walk-in closet. So even though, right, even though this is just a secondary bedroom, but it has its own walk-in closet. And then on this side is another bedroom, right? Nice staging there. I like the wood paneling there at the back. Nice. And lots of windows, honestly. This house has so many windows. And because they wanted you to experience how it is to live in Vegas with lots of mountain views. So if you're out of state, guys, please comment down below. What do you think about living in an area with lots of mountain views? All right. So what is happening here? Let's see first this one. Okay, so I think this is a shared bathroom. So they did have upgrade on this walling, and I like that door there. The reason why is because if someone is using the bathroom, the shower and the toilet, someone else can close that, and the other person can still use this sink here. So it makes a lot of sense, guys, for this shared bathroom situation. Look, guys. So this is your double sink, which is really appreciated when it comes to a secondary bedroom. Secondary bathroom, I mean. So that is a white tile. You can definitely upgrade that. I'm gonna spend you some money, guys. Just upgrade that into a nice tile. All right. The tiling on the floor is actually very nice too. All right, are you ready, guys, to see the owner's bedroom? I'm excited because they said there is a balcony here. Ooh, look at the windows and the lighting, right? It's simple staging, but it's elegant. Definitely, you can actually have some wall paneling there so that if you wanted to make it more dramatic. And this is what I mean, guys, this view here. The mountain views there, which we will check out later. So look at the mountain views here, guys. We are going outside because we want to check out this mountain views. Look at that. I'm gonna span quickly, guys, so you can appreciate the beauty of the mountain views while you're at your balcony. And not only that, you have a little bit of a view of the strip there. Right? In person, the strip is really, really near. Wow, this is a nice balcony, guys. And as you can see, it's very spacious. All right, you have your coffee here in the morning. It's really awesome to have this kind of balcony. All right, let's go back to your bedroom area and let's check out your owner's bathroom. Look at this, guys. You have a double sink here. Hello. And then you have your humongous walk-in shower. Look at your shower, guys. And this was totally upgraded. I like the design where their knob is already right before you even enter the shower, so that you don't have to go all the way there when you're showering. Wow, this is a nice setup here. And look at the floor, the use of this grain of double sink. Hello, guys. And this is your toilet area, humongous, with that natural light coming from outside. All right, this is nice. And as I mentioned a while ago, this is a very convenient layout, guys, because this is your walk-in closet. Look at this. You can actually have a party here because it's a huge room. And that is the access to your laundry from your closet area. Wow, this is nice. This is definitely upgraded, so definitely you will have a budget for this. But look at the view while you are preparing to party and go to Las Vegas. With that view of the strip, who wouldn't be motivated to dress well and attend some parties, right? It's a nice view from your closet area, guys. They are pampering you here with a lot of windows. Thank you, Pointe, for all of these windows. You are the best when it comes to windows. All right, let's go back downstairs. All right, guys, we're gonna go down and check out how you go down from this stairs, right? So you have an experience of how it is going down from this stairs. Wow, I really love that office. Do you remember this, guys? This kind of office here? Wow. This is probably one of the plants that I really like because of the openness of it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tour, and until next time, please don't forget to subscribe down below so that you won't miss any of my videos, and also comment down below, what do you think of this beautiful home? I myself is probably going to get one in the future once I sold my house, because I really like the plan here and all the views that I'm seeing when you're traveling this area. So please check out my channel page. There's a lot of home tours there, including all of the plans of this new community, Arroyo's Edge. So please check that out. And I appreciate your subscription, guys. So thank you so much. Share this video. And until next time, see you tomorrow. Bye.